Good evening, student. Today again we will discuss about the very important topic. Okay, we will solve some gate problem. So hash function. Okay, this is very important in cryptography. Okay, so now what is the hash function? We will explain. Now suppose you have a list. Okay, already we will discuss according to Python. Suppose you have a list and in your list there is a data 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, now your hash, this data 11 you will divide by 10. What is the remainder? If 11 divide by 10, what is the remainder? Remainder means, what is the meaning of this? 11 divide by 10. Okay, divide by 10, 10 1 ja 10. So the meaning remainder is 1. So this 1, at 1 I will place 11. Similarly 12, I have 12. 12 divided by 10, 12 divided by 10 is 2. So at 2 in the list I will place 12. So this is the index: 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index. Okay. So now again 13, if I divide by 10 I will get remainder 3. So I will place 13 here. Similarly 14 I divided by 10, I will get 4 as a remainder. So add 4 means at index 4 I will place 14. Similarly 15 I will divide. So at 5th I will place 15. So this is a hash. Okay, hash means you have a function. This is a hash function. This is the hash function and this is the hash table. This is the hash table. I think that you understand. Now we are going how it is performing actually. So these are the key. Whatever the value we have given, these are the key. So there is a function. Its name is the hash function. I have written hx. Function is h of x. This is the function. Okay. So now these key, at key we will place the value. Okay. This is the hash table. Now I will come here. I will try to explain. So there are different type of hash. Number first is collision in hashing. How? See here. How collision in hashing. Suppose you have a key is 10. Okay. And if you divide 10, if you divide 10 by 5, 10 divide by 5. Okay. What is the remainder? Your remainder is equal to 0. Okay. Remainder is equal to 0. How? Remainder is equal to 0. 10 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10. So your remainder is 0. Okay. So your remainder 0 means at 0. At 0 you will place 10. Done. Now suppose another data is coming. Your another data is 15. Another data means key. Key is coming 15. And again 15 if you will divide by 10. If again 15 divided by 10. So divide by 5, because 5 is here. Okay, 5 3 is 15. Okay, so remainder is 0. So again at 0 it is impossible to place 15 here. Okay, so what I will do, I will create one another node. Here I will place my 15. That is the meaning of collision. Collision means whenever at same place multiple data are coming, then I will create another node. Okay, collision means at same place more than one data is coming. Okay, so to complete this problem we are using the chaining method. Okay, so this is the chaining. This is the chaining method. Now see here in this example you can see this is total number of 7, modulo 7. You can see 15 divided by 7. Okay, 15 divided by 7. 7 2 ja 14. So remainder is equal to 1. So at 1 I place 15. Now 8 divided by 7, remainder is 1. At 1 I place at first 15. Then I place 8. Okay. So this is the whenever collision is coming, I am using chaining method. This is the chaining. Okay, you can see This is the chaining method. So chain is there, chain like this. Okay, chaining method. Okay, this is the chaining method. Now see here, suppose we have another example. In this example, there are some key. Okay, there are some key. The key are 7, 18, 12, 25. Okay, and my modulo 7. My hash table is 7. Okay, my bucket is 7. Now what I will do? At first, my first data is 7. Okay, my first data is 7. If 7 divided by 7, what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So at 0 I place 7. Done. Now second data. What is the second data? Second data is 18, or you can say key. Second key is 18. So 18, if I divide 18, okay, by 7, 7 to the 14. So 14 means 4, remainder is 4. So at 4 I place 18. Okay. Now my third key is 12. My third key is 12. So what I will do? Again 12 I will divide by 7. 7 manja 7. Remainder is 5. So at 5 I place 12. Okay. Now next my next data is 25. My next data is 25. So my next data is 25. So 25 I will divide by 7. So 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21. So 21 means remainder is 4. So at 4 already there is a data 18. So I create one chain. Okay, this is the meaning of chaining. Such type of question multiple time they ask in your placement as well as in GATE exam. Later I will show. Okay. Now I will come another topic. This is very important. Okay. This is the linear probing. Okay. What is the meaning of linear probing? This class already I taught. Okay. Linear probing. This is under open addressing. I will discuss later. So now see here. Suppose we have this. Table. Okay, and my hash table is equal to. This is my hash table under modulo 7 again. Okay. So now see here. Suppose I have to insert 76. So 76 divided by 7 is equal to 6. Okay. So at 6 I will place 76. Done. Now 93 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So at 2 I am placing 93. Done. Now 40 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Now at 5 I am placing 40. Done. Now 47 divided by 7 is equal to 5. So 5. So 5 is already here, the data. Now collision. You are thinking collision. No. The topic name is linear probing. Linear probing means whenever collision is started, you have to place the data at the next position. What I will do? I will go here. I will next data, if there is a vacant, I will place this 47 at next to 5. Next to 5. Done. Now another data, my another data is 10. Okay, or another key is 10. 10 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So 3, you can see 3. Okay, I place 3 is here because this is vacant, you can see. Okay. Now after then what I did, I am placing my key is 55. 55 divided by 7 is equal to 6. Remainder is equal to 6. At 6, you can see at 6 already there is a data. What I will do? I will check next. Next already there is a data. So I will place the data here. So 55 I placed here. What is the probe value? Okay, probe value means this question came in your GATE exam. What is the probe value for 55? Probe value for means how many comparison. So how you will solve this problem? This problem is at first remainder is 3. Okay, sorry, remainder is 55, remainder is equal to 6. Okay, 6. So 1 comparison, okay, 2 comparison, okay, third comparison, means 3 times I ask, okay, I check, total 3 comparison. So probe value is equal to 3. Okay, this is the meaning of probe value for the linear probing. This question came in your GATE exam. Now next, quadratic probing. What is the meaning of quadratic probing? Okay, this lecture already completed 7 July. Now quadratic probing means I will use one formula. My formula is same. I will use I square. Quadratic means I square. Okay. Now see here what I will do. I will explain here. Suppose I have this hash table. My hash table size is equal to 7. Okay. Now what is my this is my problem. My problem is my hash table is equal to 7. Okay. My data is 22, 30 and 50. Okay. At first I will divide 22 by 7. You can see if I divide 22, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. So my remainder is 1. So at 1 I will place 22. Done. Now next, my next data is equal to, next key is equal to 30. 30 I will divide by 7. 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28. 28 means 2. At 2 I will place 30. Okay. Now next, my next target, I have to place 50. Okay, I have to place 50. Now you can see 50. If I divide by 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 7 is 49. My remainder is 1. At 1 already there is a data, not possible. What I will do? So what I will do? I will use my h of x plus probe value I square. I am doing this formula. What is this? Whatever the value I got, my value is 1. If I divide this, I got 1. Okay, 1. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 square means 0. Okay, not possible. 1 plus 1 square. Okay, this is I. 1 plus 1 square. So 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2. There is already data, not possible. So 1, again 1 plus 2 square. So 2 square is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. I will place the data here. Very, very simple. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? I think that you understand. So this formula, how it is working. My h of x, okay, divide by 7, okay, plus my probe value square, okay, this. Okay, later again I will solve the such type of problem. Okay, now suppose we have this example. Okay, I have this example and I am using separate chaining method. I have this data. Okay, my keys 50, 700, 76, 85, 92, 73 and 101. Now see here how I solve the problem. So what I did, I place 50. I will check only this one. So 50 divided by 7. You can see 50 if you divide by 7. 50 divided by 7 is equal to 7 7 is 49. 49 means 1. Okay. So at 1 I place 50. Okay. Now 85. Again I will check. My 85 divided by 7. So 7 1 is 7 and 1 15. 7 2 is 14. So remainder is 1. At 1. So at 1 I place 85. This is the chaining method. Okay, chaining method. Okay, now next 92. Next 92. I will see 92. Okay, 92 again divide 92 divide by 7. You can see 7 1 is 7, 8 9, 7 2 is 47, 3 21. So remainder again 1. So again you will place 92 here. Similarly you have to place this other remaining data one by one here. So 50, 700, 976, 85, 92, 73 and 101. You have to divide whatever the remainder you will place, and if there is already data, then you will create another node and you will shift the data there. This is the meaning of chaining. Okay. Now this is a question is coming multiple time. The question is, how many type of hash? Okay, actually hashing is two type. One is the separate chaining method, open hashing. Second is the closed hashing. Under the closed hashing, one is the linear probing, second is the quadratic probing, and third one is the double hashing. Okay, linear already I solved, quadratic already I solved, I square. Double hashing, what is the double hashing? I will solve. Now at first I am trying to solve this question. So by the help of collision, my data is 50, 700, 76, 85, 92, 73 and 101. I have to use linear probing. Okay, so how to solve? I will divide this 50. I will divide this 50. 7 7 ja 49, remainder 1. So at 1 I will place 50. Done. Okay. Now 700 if you will divide by 7, 7 1 ja 7. So 0 0 is coming. So at 0 I will place 700. Done. Now this is also done. Now next, what is the next? I am using another color. 76 divide by 76 divide by 7. 7 1 ja 7. Remainder is 6. So at 6 I will place 76. Done. Now next is 85. So what you will do? 85 again divide by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 15. 7 2 ja 14. Remainder 1. So remainder 1 means at 1 already there is a data, not possible. This is linear probing. Next there is this 85 will come next. Why? Because there is a space. Rounded is I filled and there is a space if I did not round. Okay. Now next, what is the next? The next is equal to 92. Next is equal to 92. So 92, what I will do? 92 again I will divide. 92 divide by 7. Okay, 7 1 ja 7. 22 means 1. 7 2 ja 14. 7 3 ja 21. So 1. So at 1 already there is a data. Next I will check. There is already data. So 92 will come here. Done. What is the probe value? 1 2 3. Probe value is equal to 3. Now next is equal to I have 73. 73 divided by 7. Remainder is 3. You can also divide. Remainder is 3 means at 3 there is already data. So I will place 73 here. Done. So this is also done. Now 101. 101 if you divide 101 by 7. 7 1 ja 7 and this is 3. Sorry for that. This is there is no space I am using here. Okay. Now 101 7 1 ja 7 and 31. 7 2 ja 14. 7 3 20. 7 4 28. 7 4 ja 28. 7 4 ja 28. 29 30 31. So 3 is there. Okay. Now you can see at 3 already there is a data. So I will check next. Already there is a data. At next, okay, there is a space I will place here. So what is the probe value? 1 2 3. Okay, this question came in your GATE exam. What is the probe value for this? Okay. Now next, I think that you understand. Again I am using some another examples. Okay, if you did not understand it still, so again I am trying to solve one example. So separate chaining method. What is the meaning of chaining method? Whatever the key is there, you will divide by the hash table. Okay, so your hash value, what is hash value? Hash value is 5. These are the index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. Hash value is equal to 5. Okay, this is your hash table. Okay, now in this hash table, this 12 I will divide by 5. 5 2 ja 10, add 2 I will place 12. Done. Now 15, 5 3 ja 15, remainder 0, add 0 I will place 15. Done. 5 4 ja 20, remainder 2. Remainder 2 not possible, so I will use chaining. Okay, done. Now 25. 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, remainder 0. Add zeros not possible, so I use chaining. 37. 5 7 ja 35, 36, 37. So add 2. So remainder I will place here 37. Okay. You can see also 5 divided by 37. Okay. 7 5 ja 35. What is the remainder? 2. Remainder 2 means add 2. So not possible. So I will place. This is the chaining method. Means a separate chaining, or you can say this is the chaining method. Now another example, linear probing. Okay, linear probing. So linear probing, how to solve? Linear probing means next. Linear probing means place next. Suppose again I have same problem, key modulo 5, and my data is equal to 50, 70, 76, 85 and 93. So at first I will divide this. This is my hash table. Index is 0, index is 1, index is 2, index is 3, index is 4. This is my hash table. Okay. Now 50 I will divide by 5, remainder 0. 50 I placed here. Now next I am using another color. Now next 70 divided by 5. So 70 divided by 5 means remainder 0. So I will place next, because this is linear probing. This is not chaining. Now next what I will do? 76 divided by 5. So 76 divided by 5 means 76 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 26. 5 5 ja 25. 25 means 1. So add 1. There is already data. So 76 will come next. What is the probe value? Probe value is equal to 2. Okay, done. Now next 76 done. Now next I am using this color. Okay. Now 85 divided by 5 is equal to 0. So add 0, there is already data. I will ask no. So 93 will place here. Okay. So 93 will place here. So what is the probe value for 93? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 times I check the node. Is there vacant place or not? That is the meaning of probe. Okay, understand? Now quadratic, I will come to the quadratic part. Okay, so quadratic, what I told, quadratic means h plus k square. What is the meaning of this? Hash function you divide by your modulo plus I square. This is the formula. Now see here. Suppose I have this one. Your hash modulo divided by 7. Okay. Now suppose I have only 3 value. Okay. What I will do? I will 22. This 22 I will divide by 7. So 22 I will divide by 7. 7 3 ja 21. Remainder 1. At 1 I am placing this. Okay, done, no problem. Okay, now next 30 if I divide by 7, 7 4 ja 28. Remainder is equal to 2. So add 2, I am placing 30. Done, no problem. Okay, now next 50 is coming. So 50 means 50 divided by 7. 7 7 ja 49. Divided by 7 7 ja 49. Remainder 1. At 1 there is already data. You can see. At 1 there is already data. Whenever there is already data, collision is started. When collision is started, I will use this formula. What formula? I am using this formula. Okay. So whatever the output I got, my output is equal to 1. Means this divided by m is equal to output 1. So 1 plus 0 square, I will check. 1 plus same place. 1 plus 1 square, I will check. Is it possible there? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Already there is a data. Now 1 plus 2 square. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 1 plus 1 5. At fifth there is no data, so 50 will come here. 1 plus 2 square. Okay, so before what I was doing, before whatever the value plus next, now whatever the value plus next square, at the square I have to check. Okay, if there is a place, there is a vacant, then I will place, otherwise not possible. But this is not a good. Why? I have seen multiple time there is a infinite, even there is a space, but there is a, the hash function is working infinite but not able to find the space. Okay, so this is not a good hashing, I observe. Now I am using the double hashing. I will learn double hashing. Okay, double hashing. What is this double hashing? Double hashing function is equal to this one. What is? There are two functions. Double hashing means there are two functions. So double hashing means this one. This is the double hashing. Means one function, one hash, second hash. Okay, so if there are two hash, means two modulo also here. Okay, so h1x plus I, this is your proof, I into h2k modulo n. Now see, suppose, okay, suppose you have this question 27, 43, 692, 72. Okay, you have this question. Now this is hash table 7. Okay, where first hash is equal to h1k is equal to k modulo 7, your first hash, and second hash is equal to 1 plus k modulo 5. So in the examiner can you any hash? Okay, no need, they will give you same hash. Now I will check. So for 27 I will divide by 7. 27 I will divide by 7. So I got 6. So at 6 I will place 27. What is the meaning of this? At 6 I will place 27. Done. No problem. Okay. Now next. What is the next? Next value is equal to 43. So 43 again divided by 7. 43 again divided by 7. So now this is 1. So at 1 I will place 43. Done. No problem. Now next is equal to 692 divided by 7. So remainder is equal to 6. Now see here, 6 there is already data problem. Whenever problem will come, I will go to my second hash. What I will do now here? What I will do? So this, by the help of this, what I got? 6. I got 6. Now I will use second hash. My second hash is equal to 1 plus this value 692 divided by 5. Before this I divide by 7. I got 6. Okay. Now this value 1 plus this value I divide by 5. You can see my second hash is equal to 1 plus k modulo 5. Okay. The value divided by 5 plus 1. Okay. This is the second hash. So I will divide by 5. So if you divide by 5 this, okay, you can see if I will divide by 5 this 692. If I divide by 5, suppose I divide by 5, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, 1 and 9. So 5 3 ja 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 42. I got 42. So means 40 means 2. I will get 2. So here I will get 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now this overall I will divide by 7. So 9 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So add 2 I will place 692. Okay, I think that you understand. So this, by the help of this method, we can easily solve such type of question. This is the double hashing. Still you are not able to understand. Again I will solve another question. Now see here, this I solved. See here, my second data 72. Okay, still 72 is here. Okay, now see here, if you are not able to understand, now you will understand. Now see here, 72 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Now I will see. You can see add to there is already data, not possible. Add to there is already data, not possible. So whenever problem is coming, I will go double hashing. Okay, what I will do, my first, this is, what is this? This divide by 7. What I got? I got 2. I got 2. Okay, so this 2 I place here. Done. Now next, 1 S2K. What is this? 1 plus the value 72. The value 72 divide by 5. You can see they have given me. Okay, they have given me. This in the exam they will give you. S2K is equal to 1 plus K modulo 5. Okay, so what you will do? You will 72 you will divide by 5. So 5 1 is 5 and 5 4 is 20, 2, remainder 2. So this 2 you will get. 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. So 5 divided by 7 is equal to 5, remainder is 7. So add 5 I will place 72. Done. I think that you understand. This is very, very simple. So this is the meaning of double hashing. Okay. Now there is another question they can ask during placement. What is the meaning of rehashing? Rehashing means, this is very simple, means hashing again. Multiple time hashing means rehashing. Okay, if it is not possible. Now I will come one question. It came in your GATE exam 2020. What he has asked, this is also double hashing. He has given you one hashing H1K is equal to K modulo 23, and he has given you S2K is equal to same question 1 plus K modulo 19. Okay, now what he is asking, if assume your hash table size is 23. Okay, overall size is 23. Now he is asking, if there is a value key 90, if there is a value key 90, so where it will place? Okay, so now see, already we explain here. So your H1 90, at first you will check H1 90. I am checking for 90. I have to check for 90. Okay, I have to check for 90. So for 90, if I divide by 23, because why I am dividing by 23? Because my overall, my first hash function, at first I am using first hash function. If I am able to fill the data by using first hash, okay. If there is a collision, then I will use another hash. Okay, now see here, I am using first hash. 90 divided by 23 is equal to 21 remainder. Okay, so 21, what he is saying, now see what he is saying. He is saying, consider the double hashing scheme in which primary hash function is this and secondary hash function is this. Assume that the table size is 23. Then the address returned by probe 1 in the probe sequence. Assume that the probe sequence begin at probe 0 for the key value this. So there is a probe, he is saying. Okay, so what is the next, where I will place, he is saying. So it means that there is a probe, so I will use another hash. Now another hash, what he has given me? Another hash, he has given me S2K is equal to 1 plus K modulo 19. Okay, so whenever there is a collision, I will use second hash function. So in the second hash function, what I am doing, 1 plus K modulo 19. What is K? K is 90. K means key. K means key. So 90 divided by 19, remainder is equal to 13 actually. So 13 plus 1 is equal to 14 and 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Total 15 is there. Now this 15, whatever the value I got, this 15, I will put the value H1K. H1K is equal to 21. 21 I will place here. 21 I will place here. 21 I will place here, and S2K is equal to 15. 15 I will place here. Probe is equal to 1. He is saying probe is equal to 1. So 15, this value 21 plus 15. So this is something, and divide by 23, and I will get 36 divided by 23. 36 divided by 23, you can see 23 into, this is not possible, so you can direct subtract it. 36 minus 23. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So your answer is equal to 13. Okay. So So the address written at probe 1 is 13. Okay, very simple. Suppose still another question, this also came in your GATE exam. A hash table contain 10 buckets. 10 buckets means hash table 10, and uses linear probing. He is asking linear probing to resolve collision. The key value of integers and hash function used key divided by 10 if the value 43, 165, 62, 123, 142 and inserted in hash table. In what location would the key 142? Okay, where the 142 will be placed? Very simple. What you will do? Very simple. What you will do? You will create one hash table. Okay, so what is the size is equal to 10? Size is equal to 10 means, okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, done. So this is 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, and this is 7, and this is 8, and this is 9. Done. Now see here. At first I have to divide by 10. Now you can see 43 divided by 10 is equal to 3. So what is the meaning of this? 43 will come here. Done. Okay. Now see here. 165 divided by 10 is equal to 1065. Okay. So 165 will place here. Done. Remainder is equal to 5. Now next 62. 62 divided by 10 is equal to 2. So 62 I will place here. Done. Now next 123. 123 divided by 10 is equal to 3. This is 3. 3 is already data. What I will do? What is this? What is this question? Linear probing or chaining? Linear probing. Okay. Linear probing means I will check next. I will check next. So I will check next. So next means I will place here. So what is the value? Value is equal to 165 done, 43 done, 62 done. Now 123 will come here. 123 will come here. Done. Now next 142. 142 means divided by 10 is equal to 2. Remainder 2. Remainder 2 means here not possible, here not possible, here not possible, here not possible. It will place here 162 at 6. Done. Okay, you got 2 marks. Okay, in your competitive exam. Now similarly, you can also solve this question also. What he is asking, you have this one and divide by 10. What is the answer? Okay, you can solve this question also easily. What is the answer you can find? Okay, so now next, this question came in your GATE 2025. What he is asking, this is also double hashing. Same question. H1k is equal to k modulo 11 and H2k is equal to 1 plus k modulo 7. Okay, are the auxiliary hash function. The size of M of the hash table is 11. The hash function for the I probe in the open address, this is your main hash function. Your value key is this. Now what he is asking, the slot 24. Where is 24? He is asking. Okay, very simple. So my hash table is 11. Okay, 11 means 11. I will create 11. 11 means I will create 11. I will create 11. This question already I solved in exam. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8 and 9. 10 is already there. Okay, and 1 is already there. Done. Now at first 63 I will place. Now see here, I am using at first this function, then this function. If no problem, okay, I will use this one. If problem, I will use this one. Then I will add both. Okay, this is the meaning. Now see here, my first data is 63. So 63 divided by 11. 63 divided by 11 is equal to 8. At first you have to This is your first hash, this is your second hash. So 63 divided by 11, remainder is 8. So at 8 I will place my 63. At 8 I will place my 63. Okay, at 8 I will place my 63. Done. Now second data is 50. Second data is 50. 50 divided by 11 is 6. Okay, at 6 vacant. Okay, yes. So I will place 50 here. Done. Now next, what is the next? Next data is equal to 25. 25 divided by 11, remainder is 3. So at 3 I will place what is the value? Next value is equal to 25. Okay, at 3 I will place 25. Okay, done. At 3 I will place 25 index. Okay, now next my next data is equal to 79. So 79 divided by 11 is equal to 2. Now 2 is vacant, then place 79. 2 is vacant, then place 79. 2 is already vacant, so I will place 79 here. Done. Now next, what is the next? My next is equal to 67. My next is equal to 67. 67 divided by 11 is equal to 1. I will check. 1 I will check. 1 I will check. 1 I will check. 1 there is a vacant. Okay, so I can place this one here. I can place this one here. Where? Insert 67 at 1. So insert 67 at 1. Insert 67 at 1. I will place 67 here. Okay, now my next data is equal to 24. He is asking for 24. He is asking for 24. Now 24 I will divide by 11. 2 I will check. I will check at 2. I will check in my table. Problem is there at 2. At 2 is there problem? Yes, at 2 there is a problem because there is already data. So collision started. Whenever collision started, now I will use this method. This is the double hashing. So double hashing, if there is a problem, then I will go from here to here, forward pass. This is forward pass. Now I will come here. Okay, so I am passing the value in next function to solve the problem. Now see here, I will use S2K, 1 plus K modulo 7. So this is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. I will add this and this, where the first value is equal to 2. First value is equal to 2 plus I into this S2K 4, and the value is equal to 2. This is already, there is a problem. So 1 square, then 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So at 6 I will check. At 6 any problem? At 6 any problem? At 6, yes, there is a problem. Okay, so there is a problem means again I will check. 2 plus 2, what is this? H1 x plus I into H2 x or k. You can write k also. Okay, modulo 11. Okay, this is your formula. So H1 is, I got 2. H1 is 2. I got. Already you know. H1 is, I already got. We already know. This is 2. Plus I is the value we have to write. Into H2. H2 is 4. You can see H2 already we got 4. This is the H1 is 2 and H2 is 4. Okay. So now H1, H2 is equal to 4. Now in place of this I have to write 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and we have to find, is it possible to place the data there. Now already we found 2 plus 1. Now I am finding 2 plus 2. So 4 to the 6, 7, 8. 4 to the 8. Sorry, 4 to the 8 plus 2, 10. 10 divided by 11 is equal to again 10. Now I will check. At 10, is it possible? At 10 it is possible. 10 I have not written. Okay, at 10 it is possible. So now I will place the data at 10. Okay, I will place the data. 10 is free, so I will put the data there. Okay, so this is very simple. So double hashing we completed, single hashing we completed, collision we completed, and gate question also we completed. Okay, and similar type of question they asked in 2020 in gate exam. Okay, you should try to solve. And another question also they asked in gate exam. Okay, you should try to solve this question. If you have any difficulty, you can ask these all question they asked in gate exam as well as placement. Okay, and last year question also. So I think that this is very simple. And in Colab, if we'll check Colab, all problem we have discussed during the class. Okay, and if you have any query, you can ask us. If still you are not able to understand, I can also show my Colab also. If you want, I can show also my Colab also. Okay. This is a neural network. I will come and my open notebook. In my open notebook, if you will come, there are many files, Google Drive, and we are talking about the ADS. Okay, so I will come. I have created many actually programs. Okay, there are many files. So here it is very hard. Okay, this is not possible. This is not possible here. I am trying. So if you will come in our Colab, already I send. Again I will send ADS all code. Okay. If you will come here, now you can see student can ask such type of questions. We have designed very beautiful Colab. Okay, and many very beautiful classroom in Google Classroom. More than 10,000 problems are there, and we discussed and we try to solve step by step. And you can solve. You can ask us also question. You can see that we solved everything. The beautiful lectures, and such type of lectures are not possible. Okay, we did everything, and there are many problems are there. If you go, all questions C programming, based on C programming and other programming we discussed. There are many problems. Step by step also we solved. Okay, you should try to understand, and you can ask us, you know, all problems in advanced data structure, and based on these application of data structure also machine learning. Okay, you can see all codes are available step by step. In the classroom also we completed all such type of code. If you have any hesitation, any problem you are not able to understand, please tell us. We will again try to solve. You can see also the hashing problem also we discuss inside the classroom. This is very easy. We have completed by the help of array as well as by the help of this linked list also. Okay, by both method we used. Okay, if you have any query, you can ask us. So there are many problems we discuss during the class. Okay, so thank you so much. My request to everyone, please open this file, and if you have any query, you can ask us. Okay, thank you so much.